Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Today, I will show you how to add shoppable videos to your Shopify store without needing a subscription. So, shoppable videos let your customers purchase products directly from the video, which can boost engagement and sales. First, we need to select a free video platform like YouTube or Vimeo that allows you to embed videos on your website. Upload your product videos to the platform of your choice. Next, go to the product page on Shopify where you want to add the shoppable video. Use the video embed feature to add the video link from YouTube or Vimeo. To make the video shoppable, add product links in the video description or use YouTube cards feature to link directly to the product page on your Shopify store. So once the video is added, promote it on your social media channels and in email campaigns to drive traffic to your Shopify store. And that is how you add a shoppable videos to your Shopify store without subscription. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.